How to enable pairing mode for the Skullcandy Indy wireless earbuds and have them connected to a Samsung phone with Android 14. This is the S24 Ultra and it should work the same for other Samsung phones with Android 14. Let's get started. So before you do anything with your Samsung phone, you'll want to get these into pairing mode, okay? So usually when you have them charged, make sure they are charged at least 50%. And make sure they're not connected to another device, okay? Because they'll reconnect to that previously paired device. Now, what's gonna happen usually is as you take them out of the case, one of them will most likely enter into that blinking white light. And if that doesn't happen, this is what you are going to do. So go ahead now and remove them out the case. These are really hard to take out the case, by the way. So if your fingers are currently slippery, you'll need to go ahead and yeah, get them dried up, okay? So this is what usually happens. So you can see that they're gonna light up together like this in white, and then one is gonna remain in a blinking white light for pairing mode, okay? If that doesn't happen, what you are going to do now is force them both to shut off or turn off. And you're gonna do this by long pressing the touch controls here together until they light up in red. So go ahead and do that. Hold it down. And they will both light up in red, which means they are off like that, okay? So that means they're off now. Now the next thing you're gonna do is hold them down together at the same time once again, and release it when you see them light up in white for the first time. So go ahead and do that. And then let it go. And what's gonna happen now, you'll let them sync together because you wanna get them to flash together and sync together. Then one of them will remain in a blinking light, okay? So that means that's the pairing host earbuds. So wait for that to happen. Just give it a few seconds. So once this happens now, okay, so this is a couple of seconds later, this means that they are now in a pairing mode state, okay? And if you got to do that, you are on the right track. So now you'll go into your Samsung phone, okay? You'll go into your quick panel access and you'll look for the Bluetooth toggle, okay? You'll find it around here, long press it and go to details and turn on your Bluetooth from here, okay? And then just wait for it to show up as Indy. Make sure only one is showing. If only one is showing, that means you did it correctly. So tap on it now. It's gonna say pairing and wait for the request. That'll take a few seconds and press pair. And then you'll see that it's connected. And then you can go here and you'll see that it's connected, volume's up for calls and audio, and you are good to go. So if this guide helped you out in any way, do hit that like, sub, and thanks for watching.